Looking for a versatile electronics repair toolkit that covers all your needs? The Kaisi 126-in-1 screwdriver set offers an impressive range of 111 different bits, including solid and flexible shafts, a 1/4-inch adapter, pry tools, and ESD tweezers. Whether you're fixing a laptop, replacing a phone screen, or swapping out a battery, this kit gives you everything you need, and nothing you don't. I've used this toolkit for several small repairs around the house, from laptops to game controllers. The variety of bits means I never have to hunt for the right tool. Plus, the ergonomic handle feels comfortable even during longer jobs, making tricky repairs less of a hassle. It's clear this set was designed with both professionals and amateurs in mind. What really stands out is the build quality. The bits are made from CRV steel hardened to over HRC 62 degrees, which is tougher and more durable than standard steel. This means the tips stay sharp and resist stripping, even after repeated use. And for frequently used bits, the set includes multiple duplicates so you don't have to worry about replacements breaking down mid-repair. Storage and portability are also smartly handled. The kit comes with a sturdy Oxford fabric case that keeps every piece organized and protected. It's easy to carry around or stash in your toolbox without losing anything. This thoughtful design makes it a great gift option for anyone who enjoys DIY electronics repairs. A quick heads up from users: some have received incomplete sets. But thanks to Amazon's customer support, replacements were sent promptly, allowing them to mix and match for a full kit. If you want to avoid any inconvenience, ordering 2 kits at once can ensure you get a complete set without delays. If you're tired of juggling mismatched tools or paying for repairs, the Kaisi 126-in-1 toolkit can change how you handle electronics maintenance. It's reliable, well-made, and packed with practical features that make DIY repairs easier and more efficient. Worth a look if you want to save time and money on your tech fixes. Ready to take control of your electronics repairs? This kit offers professional-grade tools in one compact package. Try it when you're ready and experience the convenience of having the right tool for every job, from your smartphone to your laptop and beyond.